What if saving data in JavaScript was just like checking into a hotel? Imagine visiting a hotel. Some guests store their stuff in a personal room. Others use a lobby locker. That's the difference between local storage and session storage. Local storage is like a private safe in your hotel room. It keeps your stuff even after you leave. Come back tomorrow, it's still there. Session storage is a locker in the lobby. It's handy while you're around but gets cleared the moment you check out. Coming up, the difference between private rooms and public lockers, and when to use each. Both storage types let you use the same methods as setItem, getItem, removeItem, and the clear function. Use local storage when data needs to persist like themes, cart items, user preferences. Use session storage for things like temp form drafts or tab-specific data. But don't store passwords or sensitive data. It's like leaving your passport in the hallway. Anyone can peek if they want. Thank you, you made it this far. If web storage now feels like a luxury suite, smash that like, drop a file cabinet in the comments, and subscribe for more dev wisdom that stays with you.